Well, Lindsay Lohan recently hit with a big fat tax lien, and that could also happen to you if you're not careful.
That's right. KTLA's legal expert Manny Medrano is here now with warnings about some pitfalls you want to avoid when filing your income taxes. Manny.
Well, much to discuss here because among the things you have to worry about, it's easy sometimes to take shortcuts with the IRS, but overall, you have to be very, very careful. Adding to Lindsay Lohan's legal problems, TMZ has reported that Uncle Sam is coming after her for $94,000 in unpaid income tax. It's no accident the IRS targets celebrities.
The amount of coverage by people such as yourself is going to be massive, so you have a deterrent effect. Your average Joe person will look at this and say, wow, they're going after that celebrity. They could go after me, too.
Century City tax lawyer Michael Morris has represented celebrities who owed money to the IRS, including Alice Cooper. There are certain high-risk IRS audit areas, say if you're self-employed.
Odds of being audited are a lot less if you do business as a corporation, if you do business as a limited liability company. So there are a lot of things you can do if you have your own business which can avoid an audit, starting by looking at the form of entity in which you're doing business.
Another red flag for the IRS, if you claim a portion of your home as a home office deduction.
That particular part of your home has got to be used exclusively for the business. You can't have it as your part home office, part video room where people are going to come over and watch the Super Bowl.
The IRS carefully scrutinizes jobs and businesses with high volumes of cash.
So if you're reporting $50,000 in income, but you're driving a Ferrari, if you got that beautiful house in Bel Air, the IRS knows going in something is out of whack, and they're going to get very aggressive in the audit.
Attorney Morris says the public often abuses the tax deduction for business use of a car by claiming, for example, 100% use of the vehicle for business purposes. So to protect yourself,
keep a log, write down where you're going, who you visited, keep a daily log. If you do that and then you're claiming 50% use business, but you can demonstrate, in fact, this is a legitimate use of the car, then that's the end of the story.
Divorced couples should be careful when it comes to alimony payments. Don't let it go unreported.
The payment of alimony is income to the former wife, and a lot of people just don't know that. They're not advised properly. But if you're getting alimony, it is income to you. You have to report it.
Well, needless to say, it can be intimidated if you're audited. But if you have rights, bring a lawyer or tax professional. If you have other questions I can answer for you, send them to mamedrano@tribune.com.